Welcome to the mountains, boys.
Holy crap. Sorry, Dolphin.
It's dragging it up the mountain.
Look out the window. Oh yeah, you can't really see it. Man, I wish y'all could get out your cars and look. I don't want to back up.
It's strong, bro. Hey, get ready on the wheel. Hey, get ready on the wheel. This thing this way. Hey, should we just lick it?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy. It's alright. It's not going nowhere. This is unbelievable.
This is crazy.
Should we just keep watching it? We've got traffic stopped up.
Yeah, everybody stopped watching it. Both sides of the road.
We'll fix it too, buddy. Buddy, it's alright, go, Danny.
We're good. Not every day you get to see it. I'm gonna bear.
He's just about got it going. That is insane. I feel bad now. We're holding everybody up. Why don't you just pull off all the way? Because you're in the road.
Yeah, I know.
Man, he's got blood all in his mouth. Stop right here. Alright, stop right here. Do not get out. Are you nuts?
I'm just kidding.
He's just about got it where he can drag it up that mountain. How did we drive up on this?
This is crazy.
This is National Geographic footage. Wow. It's trying to kill it, buddy.
Yeah, it's about to die. It's gonna get a show.
It's almost killed, buddy. He's trying to kill it. He's gonna eat it.
That's what they eat. It's like eating barbecue.
Look at these people behind him. He's about got his whole neck bit off.
Crazy. Zoom Yeah, the hog is still alive.
There is blood all over that bear.
It's okay, buddy.
It's not scary. No, this isn't scary at all, buddy. No. Yeah, this is from biting. Look at that.
Look at this. They were like all in the road. Just.
You don't have a stop them up, do you?
No.
Good.
It's this guy behind us. I'm off road.
I think the pig is almost done. I tell you what's just as impressive is that hog, man.
Yeah. Can't believe it's still alive.
It's still standing. It ain't going nowhere.
I'm watching this for 6 hours. It's okay. It's okay.
How is that thing alive? You're buckled up right now. I'll show you the video. You got him because he's hungry, buddy. We toured Cay's Cove for 5 hours. And we see the best show right here by the store. No,
No, you don't want to.
it's not coming over here, buddy.
Didn't know what they were being held up.
Yeah. He's a little weary.
Yeah.
Kind of ready for the. Oh, God. That pig's not going anywhere.
He's gonna come back and get him later. Go rest for a minute.
All that.
He's kind of worn out.
Yeah, he's worn out.
Look at him.
That hog is not. Oh, look, look.
Is he climbing the tree? What's he doing?
The hog's trying to move.
You trying to move?